Is your Instagram just Boo Boo Doo Doo? Wait, let's
What
get.
is Boo Boo Doo
You
Doo?
don't know Boo Boo Doo Doo?
Neither do I.
I'm gonna take some time to explain Boo Boo Doo Doo later, but before
This
that,
sounds
let's.
very, very.
It's not dirty. It's the opposite of dirty. Boo Boo Doo Doo. It's like those tiny bears.
Don't use hands like that when you're
अरे
saying
तो-
boo boo.
ये क्या
also
boo boo
do.
होगा आकांक्षा?
And also
Use your
do.
imagination, huh?
Shantanu, no.
No,
There
it's
is
bears.
There is no
Put your hand
PG
down,
rated.
please.
There is. No way.
Welcome to another episode of the Popcorn Hour. Today we have with us. Oh, this is the Akanksha, and I'm Shantanu. I'm doing the intro because we already started talking. And to everyone, I would like to tell you that we have with us today our very dear friend and special guest, Aanchal Agarwal, known on Instagram as Aanchal. Or no, sorry, that was too straight.
That sounded like you have a kabutar stuck in your
No,
throat.
wait. I meant I'm gonna say I'll do it, but in a sexier way. Aanchal Agarwal, or on Instagram as she goes by Aanchal.
Oh,
Chal ke tujhe.
This is the.
Dikh. I was doing the same thing.
This is what I had in mind when I used the word on
nice.
child. Like I did not have.
I definitely I didn't do that, right? But okay, Aanchal dons many hats, and she also has an eclectic career apart from the hat collection. She is a comedian, an actor. You've probably seen her on stage at like the biggest venues performing stand-up, or her reels that are going insanely viral, doing comedy and other eclectic, interesting things all over, and was also the star of the 2019 show Ek Brahm Sarvagun Sampann, which we know.
Why would you do that?
It's a classic.
Why did we do research? Huh? I actually didn't need to
Because
do.
Anupam Kher told us to.
और अनुपम के डांट देता है लोगों को
You know,
पॉडकास्ट में आके अगर रिसर्च
I
नहीं
was in
करो.
his acting school also. Did you do that in your research?
Are you you're an Anupam Kher product?
I am not a product.
You're an
Okay.
Anupam Kher. Anupam Kher. We
I'm
love
not a
it.
product, but
Anupam
I did do the Anupam Kher's acting school. That's
Actor
a
prepares.
Yeah, I did do the 3-month diploma.
Oh,
Yeah, I
that's
am one of
amazing.
those.
And it's
That's
also Anupam Kher. Kher.
Wow.
What? Only for Bengalis?
Anupam.
No, I think she meant my Aanchal wala.
Acha, like that. Oh, I thought
You got it, not
I thought he
pretend.
corrected. No, I didn't. I didn't get it.
What I'm trying to get at, has Anupam Kher come in any remakes? Because that's the episode that we're going to be.
The episode that we're talking about
Yes.
today, with the beautiful segue from Akanksha Panda, is that we're discussing remakes.
Yeah.
Remakes in Bollywood, which ones we like, which ones we don't.
Yeah.
And the first question that we will put out is...
Which remake do we like more than the original?
Oh.
And Aanchal goes first.
Yeah, so I
हाथ
actually.
ऊपर रखते हैं अगर
हम
हमें
लोग
पहले
ही
बोलना है
करते
हमारा प्रोसेस है हाथ
Okay,
ऊपर
ठीक
रखने
है,
का
cool.
so but you have to go
We
first
can
or
also
हाथ
do
ऊपर?
buzzers, na? Now you do such a nice buzzer. I also can do.
Yeah, I mean, I think the editor will have a tough time later just listening to multiple throughout the
Audio will
So I'll
actually
do the hand thing only.
hand thing is good. Yeah, it's
But,
become a it's
this
the
time I have
hygiene
to
of
go
the
first.
podcast, yeah.
I think I really. Okay, guys, don't.
हाथ ऊपर रख दो please.
हाँ,
Now you may.
Okay.
Yeah.
तो मुझे I'm sure कि लोग comments में आके गालियाँ बकने वाले हैं मुझे कुछ भी, but I
But
think
that
Lal
for being
Singh
a woman
Chadda.
will happen anywhere in India.
Exactly.
Yeah, so yeah. Why am I giving
Lal-
disclaimers?
Oh my God! I know where you're going to go, please.
Yeah, I think Lal Singh Chadda was a fantastic
Oh
film.
man.
ਮੰਮੀ कहती थी कि ਹਰ ਇੱਕ ਦੀ ਆਪਣੀ ਤਕਦੀਰ ਹੁੰਦੀ ਹੈ ਕਿ ਸਾਰਾ ਕੁਝ ਲਿਖਿਆ ਹੁੰਦਾ ਹੈ
I think Lal Singh Chadda was a fantastic film. I loved it. I bawled my eyes out. I watched it multiple times. Or I genuinely think, see, Forrest Gump is a film that I enjoy, like, you know, for a really long time. I've enjoyed that film. I still enjoy. And it was also a film that my college boyfriend, like, you know, my boyfriend back in college, who was my only proper relationship with
Nipun.
yeah, like it was a.
We'll call him Nipun for the sake of this podcast.
Why are you calling him Nipun?
We're just assigning him a name.
I usually call Apple because apple, oranges, and also that randomly also people don't drag some Nipun and be like, you're not Nipun, you were Anchal's
I was going to
boyfriend.
say, give like a hot
कोई
name,
Apple
na?
Sharma नाम का
Hot
बंदा
name.
निकला.
No. For a
not
banya
necessarily
guy, you
all
can't
Nipuns
think
are
of a hot
fake.
name.
Okay.
Yeah, if you call a banya guy some like, you know, some Ahan, Vian or something, it just doesn't suit them.
Probably a Devesh.
Yeah. Mangesh. No, Mangesh would be a Marathi banya. Mangesh is like the surname has to be Karmakar or More. It's like more.
Can we get Lal Singh Chaddha
Yeah.
Sorry, Lal Singh
was
Chaddha.
what maybe.
So Lal Singh, so the Forrest Gump, I used to really enjoy and was a thing that like me and my college sweetheart shared. तो उसकी अलग type की memories थी, and when like when Lal Singh Chaddha came, and initially we all have all these apprehensions whenever a remake is announced. Oh, please don't touch this thing, and this is sacred and all. I actually didn't have that. I was like, sure, let's see what happens, right? You want to see how the entire journey is encapsulated in a movie which is in the Indian context. So I saw the movie and I was like, this is beautiful. I remember I saw it with my entire family in Houston. And all of us, like, my brother's t-shirt is like, all wet because he's crying so much. I am crying so much. And both me and my brother, we want to hide it also that we are crying because our parents are with us. And as children of immigrants, you don't know, like, कि दूर रहते हैं माँ बाप, आप चाहते नहीं हो कि उनको पता चले कि आपके अंदर रोने की क्षमता है. आपको बस अपने आप को पत्थर ही दिखाना है.
Can't be sad. You have to just.
You saw Forrest Gump in India and Lal Singh Chaddha in US?
I did,
I
yeah.
just want to, okay.
Yeah, I did. But I love that film. I have watched it multiple times on Netflix. I think it's on Netflix, right? बार तो मुझे तो बहुत पसंद आई. And this, yeah, Kareena Kapoor is insanely beautiful, yeah. What is it, that woman?
No, but that, like rightly, like you were saying, the contextualization of
Yeah.
Forrest Gump to India was spot on in Lal Singh Chaddha. Not the biggest fan of Mr. Amir Khan's performance. I thought thoda over
I
pitch ho
think
gaya tha.
I think we are just like the pressure after you become a star is just too much that you are unable to take risk or
I
anything.
think he's too sincere and hardworking a person ki the directors don't feel like giving him feedback.
Maybe,
like when
yeah.
someone comes so over prepared, like कोई इतना diligent है, तो तुम उसको नहीं बोलोगे ना, सर थोड़ा कम करो, because like
या
वो
तो
इतनी
आपको
मेहनत कर
डायरेक्टर
रहा
भी
है
ऐसा
वो
चाहिए
पहले
जो
से.
आपसे
That's
काफी
the
ऊपर है in like seniority.
Seniority
Right, yeah.
plus, like no, if it's a guy who's coming and doing a lazy shot, na, like a कैसे or whatever, you can be like, sir थोड़ा ज़्यादा करो. But कोई इतना notes लेके आएगा और मेहनत करेगा,
So
then
you're
you'll be
saying
like,
the director cannot direct. when
unless
someone
you're
is a
Reema
diligent-
Kakti of Talash,
Right.
then you can tell Amir to tone it down.
Right.
At a Lal Singh, you just feel like, no, he knows.
No,
He
but
knows what
before,
he's doing.
like during Talash, he hadn't donned the character of this, what do you call that, demeanor, right? क्योंकि उसके बाद like your
Yeah,
PK,
he's stuck,
your
he's stuck.
your this thing, Lal Singh Chaddha. Then I think there was one more film in between. There was one more sandwich
Secret
thing.
Superstar
That
was-
was a good film.
good in
He was
that.
good in Secret
No,
Superstar.
Secret Superstar was still fine. Dangal he was good.
Dangal was amazing.
Dangal he was amazing. So I just
He
feel like,
looked like Mahavir Singh Phogat.
Can we try to understand why Lal Singh didn't work apart from Amir Khan's performance?
boycott movement. It was the biggest
I think a
victim
lot of it was because of the hate that was around
Bollywood.
Did it
around
get reviewed
Bollywood,
well?
around the film in general and all. People didn't let it have a fair chance, I think.
Was it reviewed well?
No,
Critically, was
there
it
were 3-4
reviewed well?
reasons. Yeah, it was
I've
reviewed
never
okay.
cared for reviews.
But I think
But it
it
informs whether-
favorably, largely it was favorable. Except Amir's performance, a couple of times they called it splotchy.
Okay.
But it was Omicron, the way Omicron hit 83. The boycott movement just managed to snag Lal Singh.
What is
Okay,
Omicron?
okay.
Omicron was the last variant of COVID.
COVID.
And
Oh.
उसकी वजह से
I was like, this is some film thing that I'm missing.
नहीं यार वो
This
आखिरी
sounds like a company also.
and
Omicron
उसकी वजह से
video fans.
83 when it did come out उन्होंने वो एक गैप में सीट बेच रहे थे
Yeah, but I do
83
think
के
that
लिए.
there was some gaps in terms of promotion and all also. But I also think that a lot of people who haven't seen Forrest Gump, it was not marketed well to them. Like they didn't understand कि वो film का essence क्या है. वो चीज तक उन तक पहुंची ही नहीं थी.
They actually, Advait Chandan, the director, he had also planned to, I know that he had planned to, I don't know if he put it out, he was going to release a document that drew parallels between the chronology of time in Forrest Gump and Lal Singh Chaddha and how they drew those parallels. Basically, they did a lot of research and then sometimes it doesn't work out.
Yeah.
But Lal Singh Chaddha is a great remake to start the conversation with.
It's a good time to say I haven't watched it yet. I will. After this passionate discussion,
You
I
put
will.
both
I
your
think
hands
Lal
up.
Singh Chaddha is a
But this
fantastic
is not to speak, this is
film.
punishment.
Yeah,
Question.
go on.
Forrest Gump has made the box of chocolates into pani puri. Is that
Yes,
the
yes,
grand-
yes,
Some
yes,
candy
yes.
see
Nice.
life golgappe naal एक्स्ट्रा होती है,
Interesting.
थोड़ी चटनी,
Okay.
थोड़ी मीठी.
But why do you think they picked a 6 setup? Why did you? Because of the event that they had to use. Yeah.
The event. They had to the वही context ना. They had
Mona
to.
Singh also there. She's the mother.
Mona Singh is the mother.
Mona Singh is always there.
Oh, she's great. Yeah, she's
One of the best.
fantastic.
One of the
That
best. I
scene-
love Mona Singh.
You know that scene where she's driving the tractor and the young Lal is sitting with her when, like, you know, she has to go get him admitted in the school. What a powerful scene! Like you and that is what, like, is the beauty of Indian context, because in Forrest Gump she goes and, like, you know, she has to do things with the principal to put
Yeah.
Forrest in school. And when that scene came, I was like, my antennas were up. I was like, what are they going to make her do?
Yeah.
And then she just offers कि मैं आपके घर के बर्तन मांज दूंगी, खाना बना
The
दूंगी and all.
contextualization is interesting.
Yeah.
Yeah.
The purity of the woman is
Yeah.
intact.
You must watch. No.
I will watch, I will.
You
And
must
then
watch.
he says, like, you know,
just
that
said
is the
it,
beauty.
You must.
What I find more beautiful is not her offering कि बर्तन मांज दूंगी मैं. It's the guy saying कि, like, you know, the passion is just good enough for me.
हाँ.
तो आप बहुत अच्छे घर की लग रही हो, आपका बच्चा मैं वैसे ही ले लूंगा.
बुरे घर की होती तो दे बर्तन मांज लेती.
There is always a other side, yeah.
पहले पिक्चर देख यार तू मेरा
like
पिक्चर
her
देख
voice.
तू कुछ क्रिटिक डोंट क्रिटिक समथिंग यू नॉट सीन यार तू बड़ी
Bits and
अच्छी
pieces.
मैं
I know
अनुपम
Shah Rukh
खेर
Khan is
you
in
are that
I know Shah Rukh Khan is in the
I
movie
think
also.
this one Akansha is hell bent on putting me in the woke people's attention कि इसको cancel करो पहले से तो.
Never yaar, I'm not woke myself. I've said
Okay.
that.
I have one.
Yeah.
Go.
I have one
Go.
Bittersweet Life Korean film was remade by Mohit Suri into a movie called Avarapan starring Imran Hashmi.
Oh, love आवारापन.
तो फिर मुझको सताओ.
You seen Avarapan?
Of course I have.
It is one of my favorite
I'm an
Indian
Iranian.
movies. You're an Iranian?
Yeah, I'm an
I'm also a fellow Iranian.
Oh my God!
some-
Oh, nice to meet
There's
you.
a reason we met
Yeah,
once for a
yeah.
few minutes and we clicked. There has
it's
to
cosmic.
be. Yeah.
मैं क्या
Him acting like Imran Hashmi. Did you understand?
Yeah, I did. It's an Iranian thing. झलक दिखला जा.
Avarapan is one of the most powerful films
Yeah, it is.
that has been made in India. Bittersweet Life, everyone said, oh, adapted tha, ya they'd got rights or they'd not. I don't know. There was some talk about it being a lot like it, so I went and saw it. The most important part of Avarapan is the gangster's backstory.
Yeah.
Right? A lot of these auteur theory and these film schools and all, they'll teach you stuff like, oh, a gangster is special because a gangster has no past. So if you look at Satya and Satya, Satya ka koi past nahi hai. He just appears. They are all victims of their circumstance and victim of the city in which they live. Avarapan mein, he's a gangster with a very well thought out and delved into past. He's a man who's lost the love of his life and now is jaded and bitter and now works for a gangster. And the person who he's loved, his lover, is basically someone who says that you must set things free. The moment you gifting someone freedom is like finding Jannat in life or finding So he goes on to work for someone who he realizes is a human trafficker. And decides to fight that system to set a bunch of Asian women who are being trafficked free, taking on a system and dying in the process, so that he can find Jannat and his lover. That is his Avarapan.
And also she, by the way, was killed in like honor killing thing. Like, because
there's
she
honor
loved this
killing,
person,
there's human
they killed her. And like basically they were killing Imran's character, but then she comes in the way and then she gets the
There's-
bullet and
Oh
she
my
dies.
God.
It's
that's
deeply
heartbreaking.
dramatic. It's deeply.
I to love that film. I
Yeah.
love Imran Hashmi.
Does it end on the note that he dies and finds?
No, don't ask me what note it dies because they have announced a sequel.
Yeah, they have.
Okay,
Yeah,
okay,
they
no
did.
spoilers, no.
And the
Avarapan
music is so good, यार. तो
तेरा मेरा
फिर-
रिश्ता तो फिर रहा.
You know, तेरा मेरा रिश्ता का first 5 second का जो oh, I love that so much.
There's a
यार.
remix
That was a
version of
ringtone
that
era.
in the movie only, na?
नहीं.
Oh, it was not Himesh, no, or was it?
No. Mithun. Must be
Yeah,
Mithun.
it is- I don't
It
think
sounds
it's
like a
Himesh, yeah.
Mithun musical.
Yeah.
It has a
Himesh.
Mithun.
Did it
Correct
do
us.
well when it released?
It did, yeah, it did. It's a
It
good
did
movie.
like it got good reviews, but it did above average business. It didn't do Jannat numbers.
Yeah,
It
you know, I
didn't-
have a Imranian story.
Oh.
Have you worked with them?
No,
I worked
but
with him. I did a
Yeah,
Netflix.
oh my God!
I did Bard of Blood promotion
Oh my God!
with Imran Hashmi and I.
So lucky.
Check it out. Netflix, YouTube, Bard of Blood promotion, Shantanu Anam, Imran Hashmi.
मेरे सीनियर्स ने मुझे और भी तरीके सिखाए हैं विकास.
That reminds me, I have 2 Imran Hashmi stories.
Oh,
Okay,
that's
so
very good.
like, yeah, I'm taking
Yes,
my
please
answer. Yeah.
go.
So first is when I was studying at NYU and we were studying about something about fandom. Okay, and our professor, like this middle-aged white guy, he's teaching something and पूरा उसने projector वगैरह पे सब लगाया हुआ है and something about fandom he said, and a random person from my class, a fellow student, says कि yeah, like there are Swifties and all, and I go Imranian. And I'm like, professor, we also have something like this in Indian context. It's Imranian. He's like, what is an Imranian? Okay, this is a middle-aged white guy, doesn't know who Imran Hashmi is. And I have 2 Indian classmates. Yeah, they are going all this, Anshul, please stop. They're like, Anshul, please stop. And I said, no, why would I stop?
Yeah.
I am a true Imranian, okay? I'm a proud Imranian. So I tell my professor that Professor Imran Hashmi is an Indian actor. He's fantastic. We loved him for we grew up, like our puberty came when Imran Hashmi was on screen, right? We saw him through puberty. That should mean something, okay? That should mean something. So I told my professor.
Also, that's the.
Yeah, we probably the same year, yeah.
Kashmira Shah for me, puberty. Just saying.
Sorry, Krishna.
And
Yeah, so
hello, Kashmira. Sorry.
so I told my professor that this Imran Hashmi and all, and then he's like, okay, I have to check Imran Hashmi out, and
Oh my
unka
God.
projected ho rakha hai screen pe sab kuch, he's putting it on his thing, and my Indian classmate, they are my very good friends, Rohan and Siddhant, them, and they are looking at me, they're like, Anchal, are you sure you want to do this? And then I tell my professor's job, because I don't know when he puts Imran Hashmi
Kya
and
nikal
goes for
jayega?
videos, kya aa
You
jayega?
will want to justice to Imran Hashmi.
Yeah, no, but then I realized, then I took a beat and I told मैंने रोहन और सिद्धांत को हिंदी में बोला, मैंने कहा यार ऐसा क्या ही आ जाएगा जो इनने देखा नहीं फिल्मों में, दे तो do all of it.
right.
And then I was like, I told my professor that yeah, you can do, like it's just PG rated films and all, but go ahead.
You guys
But
like
I just
Imran
showed his
Hashmi's like
photos.
this Raz franchise and all your life.
He's only
No,
in 2.
yaar.
He's only in 2.
The
Raz 2.
defense is on.
No, he's only in Raz 2. The mystery continues.
And
with
3
Kangana
also.
Ranaut. No, correct.
Yeah,
Sorry.
no,
he's
in the Isha Gupta and Bipasha Basu one,
Haan,
where Bipasha is the failing
You're right.
actress.
He's in more Razes. He's in the reboot also.
Razes.
Correct.
Yeah.
He's in multiple Razes, but 2 is very good. Bharadwaj Rangan gave 2 4 stars.
Then it has to be good.
Mohit Suri. It's the
Oh,
only
I
one
love
Mohit Suri directed.
the Kangana Ranaut one. Kangana is good.
That's
yeah.
2. That's Raz 2.
Yeah.
So
Adrian
Mashu
Suman is
to.
there.
I have seen the third one also.
Oh, so
Yeah, उसका कैलाश खेर वाला version भी था ना एक.
There's also the Dil Roya Ilahi Tu Aaja Mere Man.
Yeah, that one
That's
was.
one.
Yeah, and Suman one.
Okay, so
That was
we've
Toshi and
established
Sharib,
all
no?
our Imranians.
Toshi and Sharib, they were rising stars back then, no? From the
Fame Gurukul.
Fame Gurukul.
I have a follow-up question.
Yes.
Even questions we raise.
What? Yes.
Avarapan is an official remake.
See, you never know with Vishesh films. They might be acquiring rights.
But
they
is
may
it
not.
similar from the thing that?
हाँ, काफी
It's a
similar है.
remake, he's
काफी.
saying.
A lot of those films are very similar. Like we don't know if like प्यार तो होना ही था ने French किसके
You
rights
can't
लिए.
say that without singing. You have to say
प्यार तो होना ही था.
I love that song. Jaspinder Arora, what a singer, yaar.
And they got filmfares, huh? Jaspinder Narula and Remo, I think for
Oh,
that song.
Jaspinder Arora.
There is no second line in that, no? It's only प्यार तो होना ही था and a lot of churup churup
No,
चढ़ाती.
there is na. किसी की आंखों के रस्ते दिल में समाना.
Okay.
It is there.
Very good
Yeah, it
catch,
is
yeah.
there.
I thought वही गाना
I'm
बताओगे.
a fan.
There is that line that Jaspinder ma'am sings so beautifully. She's like, किसी हसीना की जुल्फों तले तुमको सोना ही था.
Then he comes back.
प्यार तो it's
What-
oh my god, it's a
what is your
beautiful film.
remake?
I have.
Yeah.
Judwa, did you all even know this fun fact? Judwa is a remake of a Jackie Chan film called Twin Dragons. Did you all know this?
No.
Am I
I thought you know about the Avarpan thing also.
I think Vishesh films, you can assume most of them are some
Are
kind of
heavily
remake.
inspired at
Yeah,
least, somewhat inspired.
Spiritually or whatever.
Everyone is inspired by everyone. Yeah.
Haan.
You know that someone said, no, there are only
Sure.
some 21 stories in the world and we are just telling them differently.
हाँ.
Sure.
वो
Out
But yeah,
there.
Judai. Sorry,
Judwa.
Judwa.
अबे देख क्या रहा है लुखे इसे बोलते हैं जुड़वा
you love Juda.
I love Judai.
I love
Judai
Judai
should be an episode in and of itself. It
Oh
deserves a
yes,
full.
I also
We
want
like-
to sell a husband.
There's too much happening. Capitalism. There's too much
I
happening.
also want to sell a husband.
No, I want to buy one actually.
Oh,
Because
you'll
I
be
don't have
Urmila.
one of
Wanna
my
be
own, na.
Hello.
Yeah, I want to buy one.
Urmila.
Because then I can boss him around, no? Properly. कह रहे 2 crore रुपए दिए हुए तेरे लिए.
But she doesn't do that interestingly in the film.
Ah.
Once
she's
buys
the-
it,
she's
she
the
becomes
giver,
the-
no?
She does the aisa wala sindoor.
One
Reverse
here she
69.
takes and puts
She
it
gives
in
him
the
69 sindoor.
नहीं
वो फिर
भाई. Oh yeah, that
मेरे
tear
हाथों में तो
thing.
मेहंदी लगी है. Let me 69 my matha onto yours.
And then you have a shot of Sridevi also looking at it like why did I not think of it?
Yeah. But Sridevi's best scene in that is where she's lying down on a bed of money.
Oh, yes.
I was like, ये चाहिए.
Pomeranian
ये
कुत्ते के
चाहिए.
By the way, I don't want to sell any husband or buy any husband.
साथ. So tell us about Judwa.
So Judwa basically, like I said, is a remake of Twin Dragons. And I learned this just yesterday, so it's not like I knew this. But what's interesting is Twin Dragons has a lot of action, obviously, because Jackie Chan. Judwa has like dance mein they're showing the difference between the two characters. Have you all noticed?
Yeah, tera aana,
like
tera
the
jana.
straight Sanskari Salman is very like ballroom dancing vibe, whereas
With
the
Rambha.
Tapori Salman is like pelvic thrust. and like full-
East or West, India is the best.
So the distinction is not based on skill.
But you know,
There's also
nobody has-
spanking.
Yeah.
There's a lot
There's
of
a lot of-
non like बिना consent के बहुत there's a lot of spanking in Judwa.
I love the
Consent
fact
is
that
not-
there is no one who has been able to do the pelvic thrust and all better than Salman. Like
And
it's just something so
Karishma and
endearing.
Salman together,
Bro,
pelvic
it's
thrust, the
insane.
earth would shake, I think.
You know,
Like,
that's
they
like like they would just do anything and it would
the
become a
amount
step.
of collective
There's a-
energy. which-
yeah.
I love.
But yeah,
both
I
of
think Jodwa is a really good. Again, I think it's a good contextualization because it's like Tapori culture also it brought back after Rangila. I feel like a lot of movies were not doing Tapori well. And
Rangila
Salman-
All of
proper
Anil Kapoor
Tapori,
was
huh?
doing Tapori. Huh? Anil Kapoor had like
Oh
a
yeah, Tezab and all
he
also.
was
Yeah.
90% Tapori only. Or his body of work
Have
is
you watched
Tapori.
Sahib?
I have watched Sahib. Sahib is where he's the younger brother.
Yeah,
gives
he's the
his kidney,
youngest.
footballer.
Yeah, footballer. Yeah,
Very
and
good
you know,
performance.
it-
Are you free?
You're done. Can we also ask the audience which remake option they like the most?
Wait.
I want to win
One second.
this.
Akansha, you're not winning.
Oh,
Because
so
you are
yours is.
looking
Oh,
for-
this was a thing. Yeah, we
want
were
to win.
supposed to win or what?
नहीं there is no
Life is a
in fact we have all lost collectively मुझे तो
Yeah.
लग रहा है आज but तू 3 point बता जुड़वा के
Jodwa, see,
हाँ.
I said it brought Tapori back, and I feel like that's not a thing. Second is this.
this
classic.
this is
That's
a
a
reason why
fact.
it's a classic this
Of course.
because he's spanking women
Like pulling this off in a way that someone like me would also laugh is funny. Also, third reason I would like to say Rambha is in this film.
Oh, Ramba is damn good.
And she's a
Ramba is a reason
interesting person.
Yeah, she could.
प्रेम ये प्रेम कौन है राजा राजा ये राजा कौन है प्रेम
Oh, she's an interesting person, she said.
Oh,
she
fourth
was a
reason, I have four
season at
reasons.
best one season she had
Bandhan and this both.
Oh, बंधन या जो जीजाजी कहेंगे वही मैं करूँगा.
Correct, exactly.
I say that to all my cousins husbands
Yeah.
one of them just got married I said it to him also. जो जीजा जी बोलेंगे वो
What a nice, like, you know, there are some things that just stick in the cultural context. It's just like जो जीजाजी कहेंगे वही मैं करूँगा.
Exactly. And fourth reason is the music was bomb.
चलती है क्या नौ से
It was too good, the music, yaar. Come on, yaar, ऊंची है building. ऊंची है
तीन गाने
building.
और 3 लाइन भी चाहिए उसके 3 गानों का एक
You
लाइन
have to be on the spot like
तू मेरे
that.
दिल में बस जा, मुझको फंसा ले या फंसा. तू मेरे दिल में बस जा,
two,
मुझको
yeah.
फंसा.
What is the
तेरा
third
आना
song?
तेरा जाना मेरे
That's a-
दिल
you
में
made some
समाना
okay, yeah,
मेरा
sure.
दिल.
we have got
तेरा
I am
हो
a-
गया.
we have
I am
got
a fan.
We have
I'm
got.
So we agree that
मैं
I won.
अंदर से तो एक्चुअली एक 40 साल का रिक्शे वाला ही हूँ. बाहर से मैं एक ब्रह्म सर्वगुण संपन्न हूँ.
I like okay so do you want to go to the next question
Next question is which movie I was surprised is a remake?
I actually
Was
didn't
taken
know
back by, like-
that मैंने प्यार क्यों किया came before Just Go With It.
Just chill, chill, just chill. Just chill, chill, just chill.
But it is also a remake of a movie
Yeah,
in
that
the
I know.
1960s or
Yeah,
something.
but give some credit to Indians also.
so you are surprised that
Always.
Just Go With It is a remake huh
It is a remake of.
Oh, it's
of
really?
something, yeah.
1960s, 70s Hollywood movie.
And मैंने
Not
प्यार
of
क्यों किया
Salman
is
Khan.
exactly Just Go With It, but
Yeah,
it
yeah,
came
yeah.
before Just Go With It.
Yeah.
oh
I genuinely think Adam Sandler is the Salman Khan of Hollywood.
Interesting. He doesn't have
I
the
have
body.
reasons.
He doesn't have the body.
I
No body, what in
I like
anything.
Salman more
Of
I
course,
also like Sal- of
all of
course.
us
as
like.
an actor
Of
I
course,
think
yeah,
Salman is
of
far
course.
better
There is no comparison.
You know, because in Jodwa, he
is
has very
insanely
nuanced
good.
performance. I'm just saying.
तो जुड़वा
No, Salman Khan was next level beautiful in like 90s and
Hum Dil De
2000s
Chuke
and
Sanam.
all.
He looked
And the
very
way
nice.
he cries and the way
cries
like,
very
you know,
well.
yeah,
One of
he's
the
such a
best criers.
beautiful
Zangi
crier.
Bhaijan, beautiful.
Two instances of great Salman Khan crying. One is in that song that Hariharan sang in Hum Dil De Chuke Sanam, where he's on the train.
Joka Hawa Ka.
Yeah. And even in Saw Dard in Janeman, Let's Fall in
Bro,
Love Again.
and what about Bajrangi Bhaijan?
उसमें भी रोते
He
हैं
has
ना.
said Janeman before Bajrangi Bhaijan.
I'm talking about two
It is-
instances of good
No,
tears, yeah.
Bhaijan.
it is a fantastic film, yeah.
You're like Janeman.
You have like half of Anupam Kher in
You're
that
like
film.
Shishir Kundarians also.
It is a shish. No, I'm not a
शिरीश है
shish.
यार
Sorry,
नाम
sorry.
उसका. शिशिर कुंडर कौन है बे? शिरीश कुंडर है उसका नाम.
But he is ahead of his time if you think of it.
Yeah.
I thought I didn't.
Yeah.
What?
He's ahead of his time.
Shirish Kundar, yeah, Shirish
movie
Kundar,
does he
good
direct?
editor, good editor.
movie
But the
has he
movies also
No,
he
but he
made.
edited मैं हूँ ना and Om Shanti Om, मतलब bunch of.
That's how they fell in love, no? Shirish and Farah.
Oh, that's very cute. Okay. But directing, what has he done?
He
Joker.
did Joker.
Tismark also. No, Tismark is Farah.
Oh, that's Farah Khan.
He did Joker. He did.
Janeman.
He's done.
Janeman,
he's
that's
done
one.
an OTT film also, no?
He did
Right,
he did one short film
that
which
one.
with horror film with Radhika Apte, which later was taken down because it was plagiarized from a Nepalese film, I think. And then last he
made
did a
remake.
movie called Mrs. Serial Killer
This-
with Manoj Bajpayee and Jacqueline Fernandez.
Fernandez.
Yeah.
Oh.
That was
Yeah,
okay.
yeah, yeah.
It was
We
like
saw it.
okay in like a if Nadanya is a 3 on 10, this is a 3.5. So better by Netflix standards.
I
Straight
actually
face.
wanted to say I didn't mind Nadanya as much.
This also needs to. Can you?
ये हमारा reel है. Just
Go
go ना
on, go
थोड़ा.
on, go on.
See, guys, Nadanya is not a film which is made for 30-year-olds, okay? So, Shantanu, you and I are not the people who have to watch it. It is a film. I personally think because of Netflix, because of Dharmatic, and because of whatever the production houses are coming up for like Gen Z films and all for younger people film, now we have nicer teen films. When we were growing up, we didn't have teen films. I was fucking watching Avarapan in my puberty, yaar. These guys have films, yaar. And
We
now
had
start-
amazing teen films.
What?
We had
Raju Chacha.
Rules प्यार का super hit
Oh, yeah, we
formula.
had Rules
We had
प्यार का-
MP3.
Yeah,
मेरा
and
पहला
then-
पहला प्यार.
then-
Which was this
and
was
then-
cute. It was cute.
No,
It was-
now
we
it's
had
a
Hippie
proper
Hure.
it's a proper genre, whatever it is
We
called.
had. We
What is it called though?
Genre.
Genre, yeah.
Genre.
It's a genre.
It's a
Now it's a
genre.
proper
Genre.
genre. You know, there are back-to-back films
Yeah.
which is made for people who are high schoolers
But
and all.
they
We
can
had that show, Remix.
Remix.
That is the show that raised us.
I love
That
remakes.
is better than Nadanya.
Also, that had.
Yeah, if you see, like, you know, all these guys are very beautiful. They look like some 25-year-olds in their 16s and their teens, right? So those films are actually relatable for them. It's not for us. I think it was a cute film that just doesn't want you to think too much about what is Indian context and all.
No, I didn't think too
fine.
much
That
about
was
that
the
film at all.
I watched it.
it.
Did you watch it fully? Though?
Yeah, I saw it.
I did too.
I saw it because I support Saif. So I support all his
it's a
kids.
lineage thing.
I like this one, yeah. I personally like Saif. I'm not a supporter of the entire lineage because of that, though. But Saif
Mansoor
is
ji?
so
So
unserious.
you don't like Mansoor Ali Khan Patwari sir? Why? Terrible.
I'm talking about
Get
this-
this bite from her.
Yeah. First, she
What I'm
hates us
saying
guys.
is,
Yeah.
I just wanted to say that Saif I really like because he's just so unserious. Like, who texts a friend in Tsunami and be like, hey, PZ, underwater or what? Like, this is
Karan
me.
reference.
I relate with this humor. I'm
Yeah,
like,
yeah,
oh my
yeah.
god, Saif, good.
Yeah.
This is what I want
So
my
we are
friends to be
forgiving
like.
a lot of the terribleness of Nadanya because we like Saif Ali Khan.
Yeah,
Is what you are
terribly.
saying.
I don't. No, not
No, I
forgiving.
brought it in. She
Yeah,
liked
I
it
think
as
it
a
is not
cheesy
terrible.
film.
I think it's not terrible. I think it was a cutely made film for people, for kids who want to be in that fantasy world. Like, you know how they are in West, they're making those films. Call Me by Your Name. Is it that
वो तो
film or
बहुत
the
अच्छी-
other
वो
like
तो मैंने
film?
सुना
That's
अच्छी
a
picture है.
serious
No, no, the
But that's
other.
some Timothy Chalamet
What is the
movie.
other
beautiful
film? No, what is that other film?
The
Where,
Samara turned pretty.
yeah, maybe that. Yeah,
that
Wherein,
genre
like,
is-
you know, the Asian
Yeah, yeah,
girl
yeah,
is in love with the same guy who's in the Call Me by the Name film.
No,
Robert
different,
Name or what's
different, fully different.
Okay, I'm sorry guys. I am into Nadanya and all. I'm
टिया
not into.
कितनी अच्छी थी ना अपना सब खुद लेके बोलती थी
Remix है सारा जहां.
हाँ, टीना आओ जाओ ना कोई
This
ऐसी
was
वैसी
silent
बात
just when you joined in for me.
नहीं. टीना आओ जाओ ना कोई ऐसी वैसी बात नहीं.
टिया हो जाओ ना कोई ऐसी बात
Oh
है
yeah, Tia, not
I was a
Tia.
Nakul guy. There was a
I
character
was
called
I was a red hair girl.
Andesha Rai Banerjee.
Anvesha. Anvesha Roy married also.
अरे वो सतर्क रहे, सुरक्षित रहे, was the mentor of her, no, in the show.
Mr. Anup Soni.
Yeah, and apparently he was the father also, no. Later we find out.
वो उतना remix नहीं देखा मैंने.
Yeah.
Remix became like a
Oh bro,
proper
I
case
wanted to
serial.
color my head red,
Yeah.
head rare, oh God, I wanted to color my hair red, and actually I was after my parents' life कि मुझको hostel में डालो आप, मैं तो खुद ढूंढ के रख लिए थे hostels की इसमें डाल दो.
Like this Archie's Betty Veronica thing continues. Like it's a thing in
I mean,
remix also.
we did Archie, Betty, Veronica very well with कुछ
Kuch
होता
hota hai. Remix also has a similar. Obviously, it's not a love triangle, but I'm saying like the archetype of the girl is the same.
But Karan Wahi was very good.
Karan Wahi was cute.
yeah.
I have a lot of respect for Karan Wahi because he's been working for decades now. And he's been steadily at it doing TV. And you can tell it's hard for a dude like that to get a shot at the big time. So he did like a Dawat-e-Ishq or something. He had a role with Pariniti. Yeah.
He's in Secret Games also.
Yeah, he's the actor who throws the dog off.
Cocaine and all is happening in that.
Yeah, but you can see he's worked so hard and he's been at it and booking gigs and emceeing. I really shout out to Karan Wahi, man. Delhi
Has he
boy.
come in any remake by any chance?
In a remake? Karan Wahi in a
हो
remake,
सकता है
yeah.
है ना?
यार, शायद पता ना हो हमको
Some
remake ही
Vishesh
हो.
film remake.
He was Karan Wahi, you know, when they were remaking Ashiki or rebooting,
Oh, he was supposed to be.
they did a nationwide hunt. Where
Oh yeah,
people
I
put up-
remember my ex-boyfriend's elder brother had sent a
Nipun's
audition.
brother?
Apple.
Apple, green apple.
But what was that name? Manjesh More.
Blackberry.
The name.
Manjesh More.
No Bania parent is going to name their child Mangesh.
We
I
have
hope
invited Banya Hate onto this.
No,
but we have Banya support. We have
I'm
Banya
a Bania, guys. Don't hate. Oh, don't hate. This is the reality. Yaar. We don't care what people talk about us as long as we are the top taxpayers of the country. Why do you care? Let them say anything.
Oh.
Now no Banya will come at you.
No,
They'll
no,
be
they're
like,
like,
yeah,
yeah.
proud,
जैसे
proud,
भी हैं अमीर तो हैं.
proud.
Damn nice.
You know, I
Okay.
used to say this joke like मेरा जो भी मारवाड़ी और बनिया कल्चर के बारे में कुछ था ना, तो मैं एक जोक उसमें बोल देती थी कि कोई भी बनिया आएगा नहीं यहाँ पे ऑफेंड होने के लिए क्योंकि वो नोट गिनने में बहुत ज्यादा ही बिजी है. And then people will be like, now if we go and actually comment something, yeah, everyone will think कि हम पे पैसे नहीं है जो हम गिन नहीं रहे हैं. Yeah, but you're saying something.
I was saying that now that we have about a couple of minutes to wrap this
Yeah.
episode up,
Yeah.
should we do a remake that was very bad, but you still liked it? Right? Can we do that?
Yeah,
you
yeah,
like
yeah,
that?
yeah,
A remake that was badly done, but you enjoyed watching it.
अब बोलना
Thankfully,
पड़ेगा,
नादानियाँ
what's
नहीं है, but अब तो बाहर ही इतना अब नादानियाँ पसंद आई है तो फिर तो कुछ भी हो सकता है.
पसंद नहीं आई है. I said I didn't mind.
You understand the value of that.
Yeah, I think
you
that
understand
the
the
younger
product
kids
market
need-
fit.
We are not the audience,
What they're
please.
trying to do. Correct.
I think
मैं
हिम्मत
30 नहीं हूँ
वाला.
by the way. मैं 35 हूँ. मैं 35 का हूँ.
Achal just has hot takes.
Oh,
hot takes
इसका-
after hot
But
takes.
I was so happy she thought 30-year-old. I was like नहीं यार मैं
No,
30.
like I say 30 for the entire 30, the decade.
35 के
30
बाद नहीं
से
बोल
30 से 40 का.
सकते.
35 के बाद 40 you round up.
So it's like, but after the 80, between like
Your
85 and 95, we are the same people only.
हाँ
fair.
वो भी सही है.
Yeah.
This is a good theory for me. हाँ I'm 30.
Yeah.
I'm 30.
Okay, scary.
In your 30s, like, you know, you say in your
Yeah. Okay, so any
She
remake that
said Himmat wala.
हिम्मत वाला.
एक एक को जिंदा गाड़ देगा ये हिम्मत वाला यहीं पर.
just थोड़ा यहाँ पे देखते
तोहफा.
हो हाँ,
लाया,
हिम्मत
लाया,
वाला
yeah.
मैंने देखी नहीं है.
मैंने भी नहीं.
वो you have to watch हिम्मत वाला.
नहीं हो
Bro,
पाएगा.
and now so you have to watch. It will be even better for you if you watch it now. I'll tell you why. Because when it came, we didn't have the back-to-back serious hit bangers that Ajay Devgan had produced and acted in. Like we have Raid, we have Raid 2, we have Shivai, we have Drishyam, they have Drishyam 2, we have multiple Golmals, and all these films we have, and we have seen so much range of Ajay Devgan, which is there in Himmat Wala as well. But that film is actually like a sketch. I think Sajid just wanted to have fun with his friends, like you know how Adam Sandler does. Like he just casts all his friends, chooses a very nice exotic location, goes there with his friends, and he just wants to have a vacation while making a film. I think that was Himmat Wala for all of them.
Sajid basically found an island where he could take a
Yeah,
lot of
Sajid
good-looking
basically
people.
no. I think Ajay.
he
don't go
found an
there.
island
We
and
don't go there. There's a
he
good
went there
Netflix
and then they
documentary.
basically just made something and it was a big party.
Yeah, they found a gaon and basically they
They found a
basically-
gaon.
Yeah. And
Usme-
Tamanna Bhatia looked so beautiful in that film. Yeah, she
Tamanna
was so
Bhatia,
nice.
Adhyayan Suman
I
was in
don't
it.
remember him. From
Adhyayan Suman is also
I didn't
there.
even know.
what
It's
did he
on his
do?
IMDb.
What did he do in
He
Himmatwala?
plays like the evil Thakur's son. or
Oh
something.
yes. But
Because
I remember Tamanna Bhatia, I remember Ajay Devgan, and they were fantastic, man. Like it is a very whatever I have learned in my minimal experience of being in the entertainment, that it is very very difficult to not take yourself seriously while you're performing a scene, because you know कि as the person that you are, you probably won't be doing this doesn't make sense to you, but but you're still doing it for the scene because it makes sense to the script. So in that way, it's just a fantastically performed film.
Okay. What is your remake? A bad remake that you like?
Bad? I don't know if it's bad. I think it hasn't aged well, but I think it's really funny. I think Partner is really funny.
You know what? You're a very funny boss.
And you know what? You are very loving praise.
Yes.
Like I don't know if, at least when I watched it back then, I was like, this is hilarious. Mostly because of Govinda. Now
It's
if I
Hitch,
think,
right?
It's Hitch.
It's Hitch.
I think
Better than
now
Hitch.
it's way better than Hitch. But now if I watch it, I think I'll cringe a little bit more. Like it's a little uncomfortable humor in some areas.
I think I had to love
I don't know.
Govinda is like,
Yeah, itni khushi.
It was cute, yeah.
even
cute.
that
The
film
chemistry was
I
very good.
recently figured. So I am a Adam Sandler stan. I love Adam Sandler because I think he doesn't
Sandlerian.
really take himself seriously and all funny and
अच्छा,
anything
वो मस्त
absurd
कपड़े
is going
पहन
on.
के घूमता है
Yes,
लोग।
I
Shorts
think
पहन के
that's why I think he's the Salman Khan of Hollywood, because all your friends, you can see the faces and know that this is an Adam Sandler production. Right. Similarly, I think Salman also, he does a lot of fun films. He likes to have fun. There are a few people who will always be in his films, but Salman is a great actor. Salman is a great actor. He has done a lot of layered, well-meaning depths of, like Bajrangi Bhaijaan is my favorite film. Top. I have 3 films. Bajrangi Bhaijaan is number 1. Anand is number 2. And Forrest Gump is number 3. So Bajrangi Bhaijaan, I can watch like every month. I watch it and everything. So I feel like that connection is there. But because of my Adam Sandler love, and I was just discovering all his films, I figured that Dostana was I now pronounce you Chuck and Larry.
Oh.
Did you know that?
No, I have just got that.
Yeah.
nice.
So Kevin James and okay, तो मेरे को Kevin बोलने की problem है, and everyone is like, well, you went to NYU, Anchal, you didn't catch an accent. I'm like, I actually made my accent worse. I was living with a Gujarati guy.
Santra.
No, but so Kevin James and Adam Sandler are Chuck and Larry in the film, and they also pretend to
Who's the
be
girl?
in a same-sex relationship.
Oh,
Yeah.
Very
okay.
interesting. And
I have
you
a
also say,
remake.
you also say.
I don't know if it's bad or it's good, but actually no. I thought it would be very bad, but it turned out to be very good. There is a movie called Pelli Chupulu. It's made by one of the best Telugu directors out there called Tarun Bhaskar. He's the guy who launched Vijay Deverakonda.
Okay.
He made a really small 60 lakh rupee film which exploded and made Vijay Deverakonda the star that he was. And after which, of course, they mounted bigger films on him, and God bless them. Best of luck to all his other films. But that film was amazingly directed. They bought the rights in Bollywood and made a movie with Jackie Bhagnani, which I went and saw because the director was good. It's a guy called Nitin Kakkad who made Filmistan, his first film. Supporter, great film.
we'll watch.
It has the guy Sharib Hashmi is the lead in it. So this film was
Are we reaching to Youngistan?
no. This was called Mitron.
सिर्फ मैंने
The film that has Kamaria. that song.
that
Yeah. Very well made, super tight, entertaining, nice movie. It has Jackie Bhagnani, Pratik Gandhi, Kritika Kamra. Strong recommend.
That's Pratik Gandhi.
And this is before he exploded, but he was a Gujarati actor. So he was best friend to Jackie. He was
Very
a
interesting.
right-hand guy.
Okay.
Very good film. Very well made, very well directed, very well performed. Great music.
Okay.
Pratik Babbar cameo. A lot of interesting people pop up. So yeah, that is my.
I will
remake
watch
that
it. Yeah, I
would
don't
like
know.
to-
I like Jackie Bhagnani's summer work.
Watch
a little bit.
watch Mitro. Mitro you can watch. You don't need to watch Pelli. Yeah, if you're agar Telugu.
What is happening in the film though?
Oh, it's a film about. It's basically a film about a guy who's a slacker in life. He gets an arranged marriage rishta from this very ambitious, career-driven girl, and he's like, his father's like, you're not good at studies. They're giving a dowry, leke shaadi kar le. And they're like, okay, I guess kar leta hu. And then when the girl realizes he's taking a dowry, she tells him, "कि तू क्या पागल है? तू दहेज लेने वाला है? तेरे को do you have nothing better in life? You're gonna accept money from my father like a fool?" She's like, "What do you want?" And he's like, "I don't know what I want to do." And she's like, "Chal, I'll help you. What do you like?" He's like, "I like cooking." And then she helps him set up a food truck business, which they run together as partners. He finds his calling. And then she's like, at the end, they finally decide to get married, and then he doesn't take the dowry. They have a little startup that they're running together, and the food truck business takes off. It's a very cute film. It's a very, very cute.
Sounds very cute.
Yeah. It's a
Jackie
very.
Bhagnani has done cute stuff only.
Very
I think even
cute.
Youngistan was very cute.
Yeah, Sunona
This is
Sangamarwan.
nice. Not subverting so many.
It's upwards. It's an intelligent. It's
Very
a
nice.
sweet film.
Nice,
Nitin Kakkad, the director of this movie, Mitro, then made I think also made Jawani Janeman with Saif and Alaya,
Alaya.
and
Tabu
is
also.
directing the
That
next.
was good film. That's
Yeah,
a
it was
good film. I think
entertaining.
Alaya is damn good.
Interesting.
And
She
it
does
is-
some mad headstands, guys. Did you ever see
Oh
this?
yeah.
Nitin
And
Kakkad's next
that
film
balancing
is
thing.
Avarapan 2, which will hit theaters next year, like this episode, which will hit your YouTube screens very soon. And we all say thank you collectively to Aanchal Agarwal for being with us.
Thank you.
Whose Instagram ID is Aanchal.
Aww.
Yeah, she did. Aanchal. Sorry, that's terrible. I shouldn't have. Someone there is. People on sound hate us. Thank you so much for watching Popcorn Hour.
Like, share, subscribe. Right now. Do it.
And
Right.
please, not that we need to tell you to do this because you already know who she is, but please follow her work. She's amazing. Go watch Ek Brahm Sarvagun Sampan immediately. There are 101 episodes. 101 episodes on Geo Star now, and you can watch them while watching all the ads in between.
East or West, India is the best.